ऐश्वर्या छाबड़ा एंड आज हम कॉमन सब्जेक्ट के सोशल अवेयरनेस के टॉपिक को कंटिन्यू करते हुए ट्री प्लांटेशन के बारे में। So tree planting is the process of transplanting tree seedlings generally for forestry, land reclamation or landscaping purpose. I think ये हम सबको पता है, ट्री प्लांटेशन हम सब ने कभी ना कभी करी होगी। हम ट्री प्लांटेशन ड्राइव्स भी कंडक्ट करते हैं, तो हमें ये सब पता है। It differs from the transplantation of larger trees in agriculture and culture and from the low cost but slower and less reliable distribution of tree seeds. ठीक है? Because trees remove carbon dioxide from the air as they grow, tree planting can be used as a geoengineering technique to remove CO2 from the atmosphere. I hope all of you know कि trees carbon dioxide remove करते हैं, right? Because they take in carbon dioxide and they release oxygen during photosynthesis. So this is what we're seeing right now. They remove carbon dioxide, which is why it can be used as a geoengineering technique to remove CO2 from the atmosphere. Desert greening projects are also motivated by improved biodiversity and reclamation of natural water systems, but also improved economic and social welfare due to an increased number of jobs in farming and forestry. Tree plantation drives combat and many environmental issues like deforestation, erosion of soil, desertification in semi-arid areas, global warming, and hence enhancing the beauty and balance of the environment. ठीक है? Trees absorb harmful gases and emit oxygen, resulting in increase in oxygen supply. मैंने अभी आपको बताया photosynthesis में यही होता है. On average, a single tree emits 260 pounds. Please remember these values. So 260 pounds of oxygen annually. Similarly, a fully grown tree is sufficient for 18 human beings in 1 acre of land in 1 year, stressing the importance of tree plantation for mankind. Right? The type of tree planted may have great influence on the environmental outcomes. It is often much more profitable to outside interests to plant fast-growing species such as the eucalyptus, casuarina or pine. ठीक है? तो ये अगर आप ग्रो करोगे, ये plants fast-growing species हैं, so it is better and more profitable to grow these. ठीक है? Then we have to promote the growth of native ecosystems. Many environmentalists advocate only indigenous trees be planted. Advocate only indigenous trees be planted. A practical solution is to plant tough, fast-growing native tree species which begin rebuilding the land, because it should be tough to withstand the conditions, and it should be fast-growing, right? To be more profitable, which begin rebuilding the land. Planting non-invasive trees that assist in the natural return of the indigenous species is called assisted natural regeneration. Now this is extremely important. Let's just planting invasive trees that assist the natural return of the indigenous species is called assisted natural regeneration. Please remember this. Assisted natural regeneration. Sure. Alternatively, farmer-managed natural regeneration involves farmers preserving trees, not replanting, and is considered to be a more cost-effective method of reforestation than regular tree planting. So, it is considered to be a more cost-effective method of reforestation than regular tree planting. ठीक है? तो क्या है ये assisted natural regeneration? ये याद रखना, क्योंकि इस ट्री प्लांटेशन में से इट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. ठीक है. So this is all we have to do about this. Tree plantation में ज़्यादा कुछ नहीं है. इसमें बस basically हमें याद करना है the importance, the CO2 removal which is done by the trees. ठीक है. Landscaping purposes, इनके purposes क्या क्या हैं? Environmental issues combat करने के लिए 260 pounds of oxygen निकालता है एक single tree, which is sufficient for 18 human beings. ठीक है. फास्ट ग्रोइंग स्पीशीज के नाम याद कर लेना. एंड assisted natural regeneration is also important. That is all which we have in tree plantation. Is that clear? I hope it is. Thank you very much, and I hope you all learned. Thank you. Jai Hind.